Hello everyone, my name is Rishny. I'm a PhD student from the Department of Chemistry at Chennai National University. I'm currently conducting research in designing smart molecular cages. As children, many of us built castles, cars, and the entire worlds from Lego building bricks. My research explores a similar concept of building architectures, but at the molecular level. My fascination with such complex structures began with the beauty of snowflakes. How could something so alluring and complex form from simple water molecules? The answer is self-assembly. Nature uses this strategy in the formation of double helix DNA and various virus cores. Then the next question is, how does it assemble? Think of this as the story of Gulliver and Lilliputians. One couldn't stop the giant, but several tiny Lilliputians stopped it. Similar way, the complex structures are stabilized by several weak interactions. Traditionally, making these self-assembled cages in the laboratory require multiple steps consuming time and energy. But I have achieved the self-assembly in a single-step strategy by carefully designing the building blocks involved in the self-assembly process. Thus, I have developed a helical water-soluble cage with high efficiency. It also possesses a cavity which could encapsulate gust. So, building the cage is just the beginning. The next challenge was, could it distinguish between left and right-handed molecules? Our left and right hand looks similar, yet they are not identical, right? Many molecules behave the same way. Why it's important to differentiate? Because if one could act as a medicine, the other could be fatal. I discovered that my cage can encapsulate chiral gust molecules and respond to molecular handedness. So let's explore why this gust responsiveness matters. Imagine the twisted cage I developed as a container that can hold gust molecules. Basically, it can act as a chiro-optical sensor, which has the potential to respond differently to enantiomers in the circular dichroism studies. This paves the way to safer medicines and thus contribute to better health. So, from snowflakes to chiro-optical sensors, my research is about assembling simple pieces to purposeful systems that could contribute to future advances in healthcare. Thank you for your attention.